Welcome back! I can't say to my backyard snack yard because we are out in the wild. We are slowberry hunting. These are the beautiful blueberries of the blackthorn. They're some of the first blossom to bloom in the late winter, and they look like a big, wonderful white cloud out here during sort of February time when everything else is looking quite grey. But then the berries take forever to start ripening. They're actually best after the first frost. But because it's been a really hot summer, they're getting really squishy now and they are ripe to pick, in my opinion. And I'll pop them into the freezer when we get home to make them get extra sweet. They need that extra chill just to really sweeten up. And the freezer will do just fine. But while we've been out here, we've also come across some other berries, which I'm really excited to try. And so I picked a few of them. These are hawthorn berries, the berries of the hawthorn bush, also known as haws. So we added a few to our little berry bowl here. I've separated them out. So here are the hawthorns, and we're just going to make them into a sauce. So we're taking the whole things and we pop them into a pan with some vinegar and water. I used 116 grams of water and the same amount of vinegar. And then the berries, they weighed in at 170 grams, so not a lot. It's a small portion. But they're simmering away there. They're going to get really nice and soft. We're leaving them to simmer for half an hour, and then they're soft enough to sort of start bursting a bit when you squeeze them a bit. We're going to push them and press them and get all the most out of them as possible, all the juices. And then we just have to run them through a sieve here, or squeeze them through and press them through. We're going to get as much of the berries out. But the thing is, they have really, really big seeds in them that we don't want to have in the sauce. And here it is, the sauce. It's looking really good. We're going to add some beautiful harissa spice to it for some heat, and 50 grams of light, soft brown sugar, and also some salt and pepper as well. And that's it. It's really low ingredient heavy here. And then we're just going to leave it for half an hour to slowly simmer and thicken up. And then we have our whole ketchup. So much fun, so delicious. It has this really wonderful flavor. It's fruity, sweet, smoky, and wonderfully wild. So I do hope you can try some if you find some haws on your autumn walks this year. Let me know how you find it, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.